Hi, I'm Samantha. I am a licensed medical esthetician here at Dr. Chernoff's office. I have been here for over 7 years and we see lots of patients, and one thing we're going to go over today is how to properly cleanse your skin. Alright, so now we're going to go over how to properly cleanse your skin. Step 1 of cleansing your skin. What we want to do is take a washcloth and we're going to use nice warm water, and you're going to get your cleanser prepared. Today we're going to use Numa. It has alpha hydroxy acids in it, glycolic. It's a great antioxidant and it's really good for anti-aging. So we want to really make sure we clean our skin. That way we can absorb the products and nutrients and everything else that we use after the cleansing process. So we are going to turn the water on. Get your hair back, and we're going to get the water nice and warm, and we're going to open the bottle here, and I'm going to do a little pump here, maybe a couple. It's a brand new bottle, so we're going to work it out. It is about a little pea size, maybe a dime size, and I like to rub it in my hands here. It lathers really well, so you don't need a lot. You're going to get your hands a little bit more wet, and I like to do nice circular motions, making sure you get the chin really well and your nose. Bring it all the way up to the forehead. I like to really press the product into the skin. When we're removing impurities and we're removing all the dirt and the oils off of our skin. So we're going to just kind of keep coming down the neck. Circular motions can help with circulation as well. The important part in cleansing your skin with this product specifically, we want to make sure we rinse it off really well so that it doesn't cause any irritation or redness. So we're probably going to do about 2 cleansings, and then we're going to make sure to rinse really well. So then I just like to, either you can take a washcloth or cotton, circular motions again. You don't need to put too much pressure on. Make sure you get those eyebrows really good. Okay. I turn a little bit pink during the cleansing, but it'll go down very soon. Okay, and I'm just gonna do one more. I'm gonna splash my face with a little water, and make sure your temperature of the water is not too hot, because that can cause a little bit more irritation as well. Go under your eyes. All right, and there we have step 1 of your daily routine complete.